by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
So today we are going to do a full day of eating, which I will take you along with me, and also it's really sunny out and we're going to California Kitchen, which is on Percy Street near Tottenham Court Road, and it's an all vegan place, so I'm going to take you along with me. Let's go eat some good food.
Paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. You're
Yeah, they've got moving mountain burger, Jamie. We've got 2 of them. Interesting toilets. I think that's women's and I'm guessing that's men's. We're in the toilet and we've just arrived at California Kitchen, which is pretty cool, but I haven't ate anything at all and I trained this morning, so I'm bloody starving. So I'll show you what I get in a moment. Pick it up.
You can pick it up like that.
Yeah. It's not focusing. Oh my god, this is a shot and a half.
It's a time fries, they're so nice.
What are they?
Time fries.
I thought you got sweet potato.
Say those.
Hi.
Yep.
hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
What's that?
Vegan cupcakes. They've got vegan donuts as well. Is it? I don't know which ones are vegan. See if this, my friend's a vegan shirt. Maybe you're about some passion fruit.
Yeah. But look at all the...
Sunflower. Which one? This is a section.
Boo.
Get some wraps. These look pretty cool. Vegan pan of chocolates. A vegan almond pan of chocolate.
Okay.
Try the chocolate. For my second meal, I've made porridge made with this new protein powder I got from Planet Organic, Smooth Coffee. So I'm gonna give it a try. I've never tried it before. Let's give this a go. Let's try it. That's really good. Give it like a 9 out of 10. I think it'd be a bit more coffee flavour, but it's like subtle, so it's pretty darn good. From Planet Organic, I picked up a few things, which I'm going to show you now. So firstly, I picked up this Food of Life sprouted grain bread, which is my favourite bread ever. It's sprouted. It's not gluten-free, but like it's sprouted, and it even says, which is pretty cool, it says it's like the bread from the Bible, which is pretty cool. So yeah, it's a good one. Also picked up these beetroot crisps, which are vinegar flavoured, so I'm gonna try these. Nori chips, which is like seaweed crisp, and if you didn't know, seaweed is one of the only things that has iodine in it for you, which is really good, and you need it to be healthy, so it's a good thing to have each day. Olivia's Kitchen peanut butter flavoured millionaire shortbread, and if you've not tried these are incredible, so good, really really good. Also picked up Rhythm 108 chocolate biscuits, chocolate and favourite in the whole entire world protein bar, Sun Warrior. It's cinnamon roll flavour, and honestly it is so good. Pulsin protein shake. This is a berry flavour, so it's a really good one. I'm gonna give it a try and let you guys know what I think. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and go on, give it a like. Give it a like so I know that you like it and I continue with the videos. And I'll see you in the next video shortly. Bye!